If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing Roblox, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. This guide will help you configure your settings to minimize lag. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection if possible, as it is generally more reliable than Wi-Fi. You can also run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. Step 2. Adjust Roblox graphics settings. Open Roblox and go to the settings menu. Lower the graphics quality to reduce the load on your system. This can help improve performance, especially if you are using a device with limited resources. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching Roblox, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help reduce lag during gameplay. Step 4. Update your device drivers. Make sure your graphics card and network drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause performance issues. Visit the manufacturer's website to download the latest versions. Step 5. Optimize your device. Perform regular maintenance on your device, such as clearing temporary files and running antivirus scans. This helps keep your system running smoothly and can reduce lag spikes while gaming. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Roblox gaming experience. Enjoy your time in the game.